What's up, YouTubers? Here in a Renault Megane, and I'm going to show you how to change the language on both the multimedia and on your instrument cluster display. So here's how to do it. With the car on, you're going to come over to your multimedia display. Here you're going to go ahead and hit the 6 dots right on the bottom right over here to bring you to this screen. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and click Settings. Once you're in settings, you may not see this screen initially. You need to make sure that you have system selected down right over here in order to see this screen right here. Next thing you want to do is come over, hit language, and here will be all the languages that are available to you. Now, any language that you select, it will start showing you. For example, I'll just choose a random language. And as you can see, the instrument cluster has changed the language display as such, and so has the infotainment unit. Okay, and in order to back out, you just go ahead and hit 6 dots or the return button, and this will bring you back to the original screen. Now, you do see that the list of languages are right here. There is an amount of languages available on this new car. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you on the next one.